In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purge products in Shopify. Open your Shopify admin in your browser. Once you're inside the admin dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click Apps. This takes you to the area where installed apps and app options are managed. At the top, click into the App Store search bar. Type Merges, then press Enter. When the search results appear, look for Search Merges, AI Merge Products in Shopify Store. Click the Merges AI Merge Products app to open its page. On the app page, click Install. Shopify will redirect you back to your admin so you can review the permissions the app needs. Click Install again to confirm. In this video, the app is already installed, so we can move straight to using it. Now, go back to the left sidebar and click Products. This opens your full product list. Find the duplicate products you want to combine into one listing. Tick the checkbox beside the first duplicate product. Then tick the checkbox beside the second duplicate product. Once both products are selected, a toolbar will appear above the product list. Click the three-dot button in that toolbar. A drop-down menu will open. From that menu, click Merge Products. This opens the Merges AI Merge Editor, where Shopify and the app prepare the two selected products to be combined into a single product listing. At the top of the page, the app automatically generates a combined product title using AI. Review that title carefully. If needed, edit it directly in the title field so it matches the final product name you want to keep. Then scroll down and review the combined description. The app also pulls in media from both products, so the images from each original listing are included together in this merged view. Keep scrolling until you reach the variants section. Here, both original products should now appear as variants under the same listing. This is the key part of the merge, since it turns separate duplicate products into one product with selectable options. Once everything looks correct, go to the top of the page and click Save. After saving, your products page will show one consolidated product listing instead of two separate duplicate listings. The merged product now contains the combined images, description, and variant options in a single entry. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.